Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Toyota Tundra into four-wheel drive. First, ensure your Tundra is either stopped or moving slowly, typically under 60 mph, for shifting into 4H. Locate the four-wheel drive selector knob or lever, usually found on your dashboard or center console. This control allows you to switch between two-wheel drive, 4-high, and 4-low settings. To engage 4-high or 4H, simply turn the selector knob from 2H to 4H. You can typically do this while driving straight at speeds below 60 mph. This setting is ideal for conditions like light snow, wet roads, or gravel, providing extra traction without significantly limiting your speed. Listen for a slight clunk as the system engages and confirm the 4WD indicator light appears on your dashboard. For 4-low or 4L, you must first bring your Tundra to a complete stop. Then, shift your transmission into neutral. Now, turn the four-wheel drive selector knob from 4H to 4L. You might hear a more pronounced clunk as the gears engage. Once 4L is selected, shift your transmission back into drive. This setting provides maximum torque for very challenging off-road situations or pulling heavy loads at very low speeds. To disengage four-wheel drive, simply reverse the steps. If you're in 4L, stop, shift to neutral, and turn the knob to 4H, then to 2H. If you're in 4H, you can usually shift back to 2H while moving slowly and driving straight. It's a good practice to drive a short distance in a straight line after disengaging to ensure the system fully releases. Remember, only use four-wheel drive when conditions truly require it to maintain your Tundra's longevity.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.